second to LinkedIn, Facebook is one platform that every Canadian business needs to use if you're trying to connect with customers. Whether you're trying to connect with B2B or B2C directly with the customer, you need Facebook as a Canadian business. And there's 3 reasons for this. Number 1 being the sheer fact that 26 million Canadians, that's majority of Canadians, are using Facebook as their primary social media platform. So whether you're B2B or B2C, that's one platform you're gonna find your customer on. Secondly, whether you're looking for a hobbyist group, interest group, or a professional group, you'll find one on Facebook. So for example, I'm part of a Instant Pot Revolution group, but also part of Startup Toronto. And there's also groups relating to parenting or neighborhoods. So there's this endless possibility of what you can be part of. And as a business owner, that should be a beautiful song in your head right now when I said that. For example, if you're a residential cleaner, all you have to do is join a neighborhood group, the neighborhood that you want to work in. You can join the beaches group and then work in the beaches area if you're from there. Or if you're a freelance web designer, you can join the startup community and then start connecting with business owners that's looking to build their website for the first time. So there's just endless possibility what you can do organically without paying for any ads to connect with your customer on Facebook. And lastly, Facebook makes it easy for even the smallest of business with the smallest of budget to advertise. So if you're a business that can only afford $12 per day or even $5 or $3 to advertise, you can reach thousands of people on social media like Facebook using their advertising platform. Additionally, Facebook is also the most versatile and integrated platform there is for Canadians, or anyone for that matter. With Instagram with over 20 million Canadian users, and then you have WhatsApp, Messenger, and of course Business Portfolio, which helps you manage every asset there is under one roof. So there's just so much more. I can make another video just on how amazing Facebook is as a platform for Canadian businesses.